Module 10, Lesson 1, Using AI in SEO. So we've all heard about AI, artificial intelligence, lately in the news. It's becoming more popular, but AI, artificial intelligence, isn't a new thing. For example, if you ask Siri or Alexa, what do you think the answers are being produced? It's not humans producing the answers. It's actually AI. So Google has been doing AI for more than 2 decades, just as long as I've been doing SEO. So it's actually nothing new. It's just becoming more, um, there's more exposure for it now. I'm not saying it's going to take over jobs, but it's going to make jobs easier. Things might change maybe in 5, 10 years, but for now, AI helps you with SEO. So when you're using AI for SEO, it means that you're not having AI do your work. You're actually having it help you with tasks for improving your SEO. So AI-based tools can speed up the time consuming tasks, but unlike or like content, for example, content generating content ideas and outlines, creating title tags, meta descriptions, um, or a new schema for your website. I'll go into more depth about it, where it'll generate, but it's not going to be perfect. So that's why you need to actually review and edit before you actually use the AI. So nowadays, I work as a contractor for one of the largest ad agencies in the world, and we're using AI for SEO to help get work done faster. It helps you focus on more SEO strategy. That's something AI can't help you with. Human thinking, problem solving, um, but AI helps you focus more on SEO strategy. AI can help you quickly do uh, different tasks. I call it grind tasks, or um, things that are repetitious, but it's still in the process of learning how to do these things. So that's why I keep saying that you still have to review what AI produces. AI is still learning. It's still um, understanding. For example, platforms like ChatGPT, um, it's not 100% there. There's always some kind of back and forth interaction between humans and ChatGPT or other AI software. But the search experience is becoming more conversational, where you can actually type in sentences. You can type in different intent. You can type in like you're talking to it, which I'll explain in the upcoming lessons. So in this example, give me 10 ideas for a new blog post. You can start out with also like you're an SEO specialist and you are trying to write an SEO friendly article. So give me 10 ideas for a new blog post. So you can actually make it like a human readable sentence or question, and pretend you're a certain role when you're giving a prompt, and I'll go into what a prompt is. So why should businesses use AI, especially for small businesses and others with limited spending power? Uh, for example, hiring different people, freelancers, marketing teams, agencies to optimize their content. You can use AI, just as long as you understand what it's producing and how to utilize it. So you're wondering if you use AI, will you get penalized? So according to Danny Sullivan, he works for Google. AI content isn't bad, but the official stance is that it rewards high quality content, however it's produced, whether it's AI or humans. But latest algorithm changes are saying that um, you could get penalized for using AI in according to March 2024 core algorithm update. I've seen examples where other SEOs are showing in their Google Search Console that they're getting error messages saying that this content or this web page is aggressively using AI, which is spammy. So you can't solely rely on AI. So you can have it produce content, but you have to have a human to go over that content and do a mix of human insight as well as AI data experience. So there are websites out there, if you do a Google search for AI um, detection or AI detector, you can run your content through it to see the percentage of AI that's being picked up. So Google wants, as we discussed before, EAT and helpful content update um, for the quality of the content. So if you just use AI and verbatim and and publish that to your website, it's going to get penalized. It's going to be picked up by Google. You'll see it in Google Search Console as aggressively using AI, which is spammy. So you can utilize AI, but always, just like having an intern, you don't have an intern do work and have it go live. You have to review it and make sure it's quality content or quality before anything happens. So here are just some ways to apply AI to SEO other than content creation. You can use AI for keyword research. I've used it for keyword research. It's not exactly the best. So that's why I say double check it with SEO tools like SEMrush or BrightEdge or other um, keyword tools. Um, so it can help you with keywords research, but review it and match it and compare it. Content optimization, backlink analysis, schema markup, automating repetitive tasks. Um, just like with backlinks and content, review it, check it with the SEO tools before, because AI really is like an amateur. It's amateur helping you, so you can't rely on it completely. So, three AI SEO best practices: figure out where AI can help you in your workflows, especially with repetitive tasks. I use it for title and meta tags. Um, but with those, I have to review it because sometimes look it doesn't look that great. But you can edit it and revise it, revise the output. Be specific as possible. Just like with computer programming, what garbage in, garbage out. What you tell AI will result in what it gives you. So if you do a broad, generic prompt or question, it's going to give you a broad, generic answer. So the more specific you can be, the better. And continue to involve humans when using AI tools. Always have it reviewed by yourself or somebody um, before using whatever the output is for AI. And again, I mean, this could change 5, 10 years from now, but for now, AI can expedite the process, but it's not perfect. I think it's like junior, uh, maybe not junior level, but somebody helping you that doesn't really have a lot of experience. So just like an intern, they can do the work, but you have to review and edit the deliverables. Um, there's errors I've seen when using AI. A lot of errors that had to be corrected before I can actually make it live, and again, ensure the accuracy, relevance, and if it aligns with your brand voice. There's something that AI sometimes can't do, is write in your brand voice, depending on how you want your brand to be perceived. And also with AI, there may be plagiarism. Some AIs claim, oh, it's all original, but how is it original? When I do plagiarism checks for AI, I do see it. I do see plagiarism. So don't rely on AI entirely. Just use it as a helper. According to SEMrush, when you're using AI to help you create content or complete any other SEO tasks, interrogate the output. Is it helpful, like with the helpful content update? Is it high quality with EAT? Does it adhere to Google guidelines? And usually the answer is no. So that's why you have to really review all the changes, or review all the outputs and make changes. The future of AI. AI is not going to replace skilled SEOs, content marketers, and editors, especially with SEOs, because there's a lot of problem solving involved. There's a lot of human feel, kind of like with a computer. It gives you basic outputs. AI can, it can help you with your optimization efforts, but ultimately you still need humans to do SEO.